G'day, today we're going to do a quick unboxing and setting up of your new Tormek T-8. So the top part is your sustainer for your jigs that come with the T-8. So we have our angle guide for setting our angles. We have our truing tool for truing the stone. We have our square edge jig for doing our plane irons and chisels. We have our stone grater for changing the composition of the stone from 220 grit to 1000. We have our marker. Don't forget your band-aids. A little bit of information on your warranty. Don't forget to register your machine. You'll get an 8-year warranty. We have our version of the Bible, which is the Tormek Sharpening Handbook. It's always the way, isn't it? Hello. We have our version of the Bible, which is a Tormek Sharpening book, which goes through setting up the machine, talks about different types of sharpening, give you all your sharpening genre, and it also talks you through setting up all of your jigs. So basically we can pick our tools. So we've got tools for cabinet making, tools for woodworking, wood carving, and then we've also got general as well, which goes into knives, scissors, axes, and so on. We've got our honing paste. Next one is our extension for the water trough, our universal support bar, and our magnet for our water trough as well. So put our magnet on our water trough there, so it'll catch all of our steel filings. Our stone, and the important part, the machine. When setting up the machine, we've got our honing wheel here, we've got our drive shaft which our stone will sit on, we've got our ease lock nut. This is a reverse thread, so backwards the way we're used to. This sleeve keeps everything together in transport. So bring your stone up. Always important when you're putting the stone on for the first time to make sure you hold the honing wheel so your drive shaft stays in place when you slide that wheel on. Again, place your ease lock nut on. Only has to be finger tight. Once we start the machine, that'll automatically set the torque to hold that wheel in place. Place our water trough in, bring up so the stone will just sit at the water level, fill with water to the water level, and we're ready to go.